Hey guys, I'm trying to solve my home Wi-Fi on a low budget. There are three things I want: better Wi-Fi speed, better Wi-Fi coverage, and the third one is the ability to roam inside and outside the house on a conference call, for example on Teams, without the Wi-Fi connection breaking up. My current Wi-Fi coverage is fairly good, but it relies on a Wi-Fi extender. It's also on the N standard, so the speed is not that great. The problem with the Wi-Fi extender is that I need to manually change to the other Wi-Fi. If it's in range of the first access point, it will stay connected, so that's a problem. I have been researching Wi-Fi mesh solutions and also the Wi-Fi roaming possibilities. I have cut 6 wiring around the house, so I do want the wire backhaul for the best speed. The best cheap option I have found is to use ubiquity AC lite access points for inside. I think I need 2 of them and 1 AC Pro access point for my outside installation. Ubiquity should support Wi-Fi roaming, and also it has the AC standard, so that would boost my speed. If you know of a cheaper solution with the same abilities, please comment below and let me know what options you have in mind. If you would like to see how my Ubiquity access point system turns out, please subscribe below, and also I will leave a link somewhere down below or up there for my Wi-Fi video once I have the access points. So hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.